Found a GNH file bundled with legacy software? This is a help documentation format from an older authoring tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's everything you need to know about opening and reading these Gen Help files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading GNH file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. GNH files are compiled help documentation files created by GenHelp, a help authoring tool used to produce context-sensitive help systems for Windows applications. They contain formatted help topics, hyperlinked navigation tables of contents, keyword indexes, and embedded graphics for software documentation. GenHelp GNH files use a proprietary binary format, storing rich text content with topic identifiers, hyperlink references, keyword index entries, and table of contents. Hierarchy. The format supports embedded bitmap graphics, font formatting, and context-sensitive help, mapping IDs for integration with host applications. The fundamental reading standard for GNH is set by GenHelp from unknown. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows may show the document plainly, but fine control depends on the correct editing tool. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your GNH file and select Open With. If GenHelp is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If the GNH file won't budge, stay calm. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, opening with GenHelp Viewer. If you have the GenHelp Runtime Viewer installed, double-click the GNH file to open it directly. The viewer displays the help contents with navigation pane topic display and search functionality. Check whether the associated application includes the GenHelp Viewer in its installation directory. Next, extracting content. Use a universal help file viewer or converter to attempt reading the GNH file contents. Tools like Help Explorer Viewer may recognize the format. Alternatively, open the file in a hex editor to inspect the binary structure and identify embedded text content for manual extraction. Finally, converting to modern format. If you have access to GenHelp authoring tools, export the help content to HTML or RTF format for use in modern help systems. Without the original tools, copy readable text from the viewer and restructure it into a current format like CHM using Microsoft HTML Help Workshop or Help in Doc. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.